Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus on root 3. Root 3 is the height of every equilateral triangle, the hidden engine of the 60-degree angle, and the surd you must learn to spot inside root 12, root 27, and root 48. By the end of this video, you'll have all the exact trig values built on root 3 locked in, plus the simplification shortcuts that turn ugly roots into neat answers. Quick identity check. Root 3 is positive, root 3 is irrational, root 3 is algebraic, i.e. it solves x squared equals 3, and as a decimal, it's approximately 1.73205. Memorize that to 3 decimal places. It pops up constantly when you're sense checking an exact trig value answer. 1.73 is the rough working value for root 3. Multiples of root 3, 2 root 3, 3 root 3, 4 root 3, same rule as every surd. K times root 3 equals K root 3, kept in radical form. Don't expand it. The whole point of surds is exact answers, and the moment you decimalize, you've lost the exactness. Keep them symbolic right until the end. Powers of root 3. Root 3 to the 0 is 1. Root 3 to the 1 is root 3. Squared is 3. Cubed is 3 root 3. Fourth is 9. Fifth is 9 root 3. The pattern: even powers give an integer power of 3. Odd powers give an integer power of 3 with a root 3 on the side. Same rhythm as root 2. Exactly the same structural pattern. Hiding in every 60-degree angle. Sine of 60 equals root 3 over 2. Cosine of 30 equals root 3 over 2. Tangent of 60 equals root 3. Tangent of 30 equals 1 over root 3, which rationalizes to root 3 over 3. These are exact trig values you must memorize. They appear without a calculator on every higher paper. If a triangle question involves a 60 or 30-degree angle, root 3 is on the menu. Key relationships: root 3 squared equals 3. Root 3 is roughly 1.732. 1 over root 3 equals root 3 over 3. Sine 60 equals cosine 30 equals root 3 over 2. Tangent of 60 equals root 3. Surd simplifications: root 12 equals 2 root 3. Root 27 equals 3 root 3. Root 58 equals 4 root 3. Memorize those trio. Where root 3 shows up in your exam, exact trig values, sine 60, cosine 30, tangent 60, they're all built on root 3. Simplifying surds like root 12, root 27, root 48, root 75. The height of an equilateral triangle with side S is S over 2 times root 3. The 30, 60, 90 triangle has side ratios 1 root 3, 2. And the area of a regular hexagon is 3 root 3 over 2 times s squared. Where root 3 hides, every 60-degree angle in trig, every equilateral triangle. Anywhere you see root 12, root 27, root 48, root 75, that's hidden, root 3. The 30, 60, 90 right triangle, and anywhere you spot a regular hexagon, because hexagons decompose into 6 equilateral triangles, and root 3 falls straight out of each one. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.